If your plans change, Calendly makes it super easy to reschedule meetings without the stress. Let me show you how in just a minute. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Head over to your Calendly dashboard and open the meetings section. Find the event you want to adjust and click on it to open the details page. Now just hit the reschedule button. You'll see your available time slots, so simply choose a new date and time that works best. If it's a team event, you can even pick which member takes the meeting or let Calendly auto-assign. Once you've selected the new time, click Update Event or Save to confirm. Calendly will automatically send a notification to your invitee with the updated details, so everyone stays on the same page. And that's it. Rescheduling on Calendly is quick, simple, and keeps your calendar flexible. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.